Hi, this is Jason, the owner of Dent Lion, your Houston area paintless dent repair company. At Dent Lion, we make quality and customer convenience number one. Being a mobile paintless dent repair company allows us to make your repair experience as quick and easy as possible. No leaving your car at the body shop for days on end. No worrying about if your insurance company will pick up your rental bill. Dent Lion will come to you. Did you know that paintless dent repair is a higher quality repair than conventional bodywork and costs less? That's right, PDR costs less than going to a conventional repair facility. Why file an insurance claim when Dent Lion can fix your small dings and dents for less than your deductible? Call today or text a photo of your damage to 832-579-5541 or visit us at dentlion.com.